Hello friends, we are going to study aldol condensation. So first we will see what is the aldol condensation reaction. Now in any condensation reaction, two molecules react with each other and one product is formed along with the small molecule, generally water or ethanol. So such type of reactions are called as condensation reaction. Now in this aldol condensation reaction, aldehydes or ketones having alpha hydrogens in the presence of base react to form beta hydroxyl aldehyde, that is called as aldol condensation reaction. So there is a condition that aldehydes or ketones must possess alpha hydrogens in them, and in the presence of base they can react to form beta hydroxyaldehyde. So the name aldol means here, if you see the aldehyde and alcohol, then Al comes from the aldehyde and Ol comes from the alcohol. So there is a presence of two functional groups, that is the aldehyde and alcoholic OH group. Therefore, the name is aldol. Now we will see the example acetaldehyde. In presence of base, acetaldehyde reacts and we get acetaldol, that is the 3-hydroxybutanol. Now we will see what is the meaning of alpha hydrogen. It is very important because only the compounds, that is aldehydes or ketones having alpha hydrogens, can give this reaction. So alpha hydrogen means here hydrogen attached to the alpha carbon atom, that is called as alpha hydrogen. Now in this example you can see. So what is the alpha carbon? Alpha carbon is that carbon which is next to the carbonyl carbon. So the nomenclature can be given like alpha, beta, gamma, like this. So the alpha hydrogens are those hydrogens which are directly attached to the alpha carbon atom. Now we will see the mechanism. The step first is the removal of alpha hydrogen from aldehyde by base, that is OH minus, to form carbanion. So OH minus is the base and it abstracts the one of the alpha hydrogen from this acetaldehyde molecule. Now you can see here total 3 alpha hydrogens in acetaldehyde molecule. So only one alpha hydrogen get removed by this base and you can get their carbanion. Carbanion means here the negative charge on the carbon. So we get carbanion as well as water molecule. Now in the step second, there is a nucleophilic attack of carbanion on the carbonyl carbon of second molecule of aldehyde. So we have got already the carbanion in the step first. Now this carbanion means negatively charged carbon species will attack on the carbonyl carbon which is electron deficient due to the presence of oxygen atom. So this carbanion will attack on the second molecule of aldehyde and we will get the oxoanion. Now in the step third, there is a protonation of oxonium ion to give the final product aldol. So you can see here the oxoanion form in the step second and it abstracts the proton from the water molecule to give the final product aldol, and the OH minus, that is base, is regenerated. Again we can see that aldols can be easily dehydrated to form alpha beta unsaturated compound. So in presence of base or acid, or if they are heated, then alpha beta unsaturated compound can be formed. So here this compound gives the alpha beta unsaturated compound, that is the crotonaldehyde. Now in the last section we will see the cross aldol condensation reaction. What is the crossed aldol condensation reaction? When the aldol condensation reaction involves two different carbonyl compounds, it is called as crossed aldol condensation reaction. So here we are taking examples, that is acetaldehyde plus acetone. These two molecules are different and both have here alpha hydrogens. In presence of base, they can react and give the product. So here the product form is 4-hydroxy 2-pentanone. So two different carbonyl compounds are necessary for the crossed aldol condensation reaction. So this is all about the aldol condensation reaction. The points to remember is that aldehydes or ketones taking part in the reaction must have the alpha hydrogens. So that is the condition for this reaction. And in presence of base, they give the beta hydroxy aldehyde. That is the final product. So that is these are the points actually you have to remember. So this is all about the aldol condensation reaction.